So where can you enter the one-time code on your Android? Let's explain that and let's get into it. So this heavily depends on where exactly you're trying to sign in, because this one-time code is used as a verification tool to ensure that it is really you who is trying to sign in. So even if you know the login info, like the email and password, you can get inside, but a lot of times it still asks you for additional verification through a code. This code may be delivered through your phone number, so you can find it usually in the messages, or it might also be in some other places as well, like it might be delivered through an authentication app or something along those lines. So it really depends, but after you sign in, let's say that you're trying to sign into the Apple ID account or Amazon, whatever it might be, after you confirm your login, all of the data, you might be asked for another text field is going to appear, and you just need to type in the code there. So you can temporarily leave the page, go to the messages, locate the number, the code, and just copy and paste it to the text field, which appeared directly after you try to sign in. So I hope that makes sense. Obviously, all of the different services might have slightly different ways how it works, but generally the principle is exactly the same no matter where you're trying to sign in. So just let me know below in the comments if you found this video helpful, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the future tutorials.